girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she took the swag too. Baby, you're the best. To give you my love.
Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Folk flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I can let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the group. 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side. Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside. And I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I bitch come through. You and you. I'ma get the money. Trick and get the loot. Pull up with that trick. I'm play with Drake and I'ma shoot. My weapon be the instrument. I blow you like a flute. Nigga place me feeling. Pull up broad day with the canine shivering. Drop a nigga like a littering. We at the door like we the delivery. He done a plug middleman. That nigga brown like cinnamon. I got the round like Sugar Ray Robinson. Shots to the chest, how you gas for I'ma spray em, just like for a breeze. I'm a long way from sitting in the nosebleed. Now a nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine I'm so close to the guy and I can steal the stash sheet. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Mr. Genius Idiot.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping best concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I chose my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I sense, he wouldn't believe a sense. I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. She repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. From the phone, but I love me a bitch. He on the and she my secret. Trying to dish me, know about people. I can't respond with this go with your people. If I got some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shovel, won't be in. I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the love it. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab a neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' jam when I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit out the hit, I'm just chillin'. But I sing the hill, I chill with my children. The bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a strand and I call up. They talking my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain. I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she be getting said. If you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, if I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Domthetastemaker and welcome back. So today you guys, I'm doing a review for AliPearl, and today I decided that I wanted to do something more simple, and I'm reviewing this closure unit from them, and I added in these really nice like barrel curls in it. I love doing these kind of curls, like it's so cute and it gives like very much so grown and sexy, very classy, and I really like that. And today I wanted to try something different because you guys know anytime that I install a unit, whether it be a closure, whether it be a frontal, a 360 unit, I always use some kind of product to lay the lace down. I still use my Got2B glued, but today I wanted to do something different and really take advantage of the whole glueless vibe that we have going on, and I didn't want to use any product, and that's exactly what I did today, you guys. I didn't use any hairspray. Well, I did use hairspray for like these little pieces up here just to get them to like stick up like that. I don't know if you guys can see, just to get them to like stick up like that, but other than that I didn't like use any actual product to adhere this unit. And I really like it. And the reason why I was really able to do this, like most people are able to do that with closures, but a lot of times I'm not able to do that with closures because my head is a lot smaller than a lot of other people's. So a lot of times, even with the closure units, I usually have to use something to like adhere the unit. But today I didn't have to use anything, and I was so excited to finally have a true glueless unit because hello, I can lift it up, lift it down, lift it up, and voila, which is perfect because if you're somebody who's like in a rush, you don't really have a lot of time to do your hair, this is the perfect unit to just put on. You don't have to worry about like adding product to the hairline, because for me, I don't know about you guys, but when I have my unit on, I have to take it off after a little while because it gives me a breakout. And it's because of the makeup that you use on the lace, and then using the Got2B, and then you're like sweating and everything like that, so that clogs up your pores right there, and then you'll end up getting a breakout. I don't know if your skin is like that, but my skin definitely reacts a different kind of way when I leave my units on too long. But a unit like this, it won't irritate me. I wouldn't have to worry about a breakout because I don't have like product building up right here on the hairline. So this unit originally came to me in body wave. I do have it in 22 inches. So this is a 22 inch. It's not like super long because you guys know me. I usually go for like 24, 26, 30 inch. That's definitely my kind of vibe. But I wanted to do something a little bit shorter. I also like how my curls turned out as well. And I didn't use any product in the curls either. The only thing that I used was a heat protectant, because you always, you guys want to use some kind of heat protectant when you're styling your hair. So that way you don't have to worry about like frying it or damaging the hair. And it also gives the hair a nice nice luster, as you guys can see. So adding some kind of heat protectant is essential when you're doing your hair. But other than that, I didn't use any hairspray to keep the curls this way, and they're doing very well, if you ask me. I like how they turned out. It's not like too tight of a curl. It's a nice, like, it's a really nice wave, and it almost gives you like the body wave kind of vibe with it, and that is how this unit originally came to me. As far as customizing goes, I did bleach the knots on this unit, and that was it. I didn't pluck the hairline or anything like that, so this is what the hairline is giving. Even though I didn't pluck it, like, it still looks pretty good, you know, for me to not have plucked it. But I did bleach the knots, and I want to say, looking at this part, I want to say that this is possibly a 5x5. I wasn't sure if it was a regular closure or if it was a 5x5, but it's definitely getting 5x5 right now. You definitely get a lot of parting space, as you guys can see. And the tracks start like down here. So you get a lot of space in the front as well. Same thing on this side, tracks start down there. Like that, it's not like tangling. I don't have any shedding going on or anything like that, and it's holding a curl very well, especially for me to not have put any hairspray on it. Usually, in order to keep your curls like this, you have to put some kind of hairspray to keep the wave. And I just wanted to challenge myself and see if I can actually do a glueless install, because every install, even if I have a closure, like, I always put something on. I have to put Got2B glue gel or hairspray or something. I never really do it like this. And if you want to, you can even style a unit like this on the side. I'm gonna shift it over to the side so you guys can see what that looks like. Okay, I have a little bang action going here. Like, wow, you know, real cute. So yeah, if you want to, because it's a glueless install, you can literally shift it to the side, and boom, we have a completely new, different style. Like, hello. Like, this is really cute, actually. I really like this. This is cute. Let me see if I pull some hair like behind my ear though. Okay. And then look, because the lace is like all right there. And I've done something like this like plenty of times on my channel, and yeah, I love doing this with the closure, especially with a 5x5, because you get so much like space. And like, look at this cute bang I have now, you know, covering the eye up and stuff. This is cute. We like that. Real cute. Now, this unit does come with an elastic band in the inside, but you don't even have to use the elastic band that comes in there. The adjustments in the back are just fine, and I really like how snug this unit is. Like, literally, it's so snug and tight, and for me, that's like a big deal, because I'm someone, like I said, who has a smaller head, so a lot of units, they fit really big on me, especially in the back. I always have like a bunch of room left over, and I'm not sure like what size they might have sent me, and have a hard time like trying to find a unit that fits them. So I really like the fit to this unit, but I don't have any cons today. I love the lace, I love the actual hair, I like the fit, I like the construction of it. The side tabs aren't bothering me either, because sometimes that's another issue that I experience when I have like closure units. The side tab is like it usually like rubs and it's just irritating, or it's like too big and it like goes like over my ears. But I didn't have an issue with that either in this unit, so I really like that. But yeah, here's an up close look at the curls with the side part. Like, this is really cute. But I'm gonna move her right back to the middle just to show y'all like it's versatile, okay? And you don't have to just like have it one kind of way. You can switch her up if you want to. So cute. I love a versatile unit. But yeah, you guys, all in all, a great unit. I don't have any complaints. Like I said, I think this is a no-brainer, especially for people who just want something easy and on the go, because like, who really has time these days? Even if you have time, you just don't want to spend that much time on your hair. I know I don't. Personally, I love a good put on and go type of unit, and this glueless 5x5 closure by AliPearl is perfect for those type of girls. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I want to give a big thank you to AliPearl Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. If you guys are interested, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link to this hair along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as possible. Shout out to all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for watching today's video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.